This video is the unboxing of the Delta ROV fiber optic repair kit, which is shipped with a cardboard box. Kit comes in a small aluminum box. The box contains everything to do a retermination. So you have instructions, screwdriver kit, small snips, 2 SC to LC fiber patch cords. You have a Kevlar scissors, some pliers, a knife, and a flip head screwdriver. You have a little bottle for alcohol. So you have to pour your own alcohol for shipping restrictions, and it comes also with some cloth for washing your fibers, cleaning your fibers. Has a fiber optic stripper. This is a stripper for the sheath. Comes with safety glasses, model can vary. Optical meter, laser light to work with the optical meter. This here is a cleaving tool with a little trash bucket. The kit also comes with some spare quick fiber connectors, a spare blade for the cleaver. This is a LC to LC adapter and a quick stripping tool. This concludes the video for the fiber optic kit.